Embroidery, the art of decorating fabric with needle and thread, boasts an ancient heritage that traces back thousands of years, celebrating the diverse cultural expressions of artisans across the globe. Throughout history, this intricate craft has been used to adorn clothing, household items, and ceremonial garb, often indicating status and identity. As we have progressed into the era of modern technology, embroidery has undergone a remarkable transformation, becoming even more accessible to hobbyists and professionals alike. Now, with computerized embroidery machines, embroiderers have the capacity to produce complex and detailed designs with extraordinary precision and remarkable ease. Among these machines, the DSZ Embroidery machine stands out, leveraging a proprietary embroidery file format known as DSZ. This specialized DSZ file format is the brainchild of DSZ Industries, a renowned German company with a prestigious history of over a century in crafting embroidery machines, 140 years to be precise. Developed for exclusive use with DSZ embroidery machines, this format is meticulously crafted for the purpose of high-speed embroidery, ensuring high-quality stitching output. Comprising a compressed file structure, the DSZ format is designed for quick and efficient transfer of embroidery designs to the machine, as well as for the economical storage of sizable embroidery files. What sets the DSZ file format apart is its ability to contain not just the visual embroidery design, but also the essential machine control commands that are necessary for bringing the design to life through stitching. The format transcends being merely a representation of the design, containing the requisite instructions that the DSZ embroidery machine follows, essentially becoming the conductor to the machine's symphony of stitches. This translates to an unparalleled level of control during the embroidery process, empowering users to precisely manage various aspects such as thread tension, stitch length, and more, ultimately influencing the quality and appearance of the final embroidered product. However, the specialized nature of the DSZ file format also presents certain limitations in terms of its prevalence. As a proprietary format owned by DSZ Industries, it's not freely available for use by other embroidery machine manufacturers without securing the necessary permissions from DSZ, which can restrict its broader adoption within the industry. Additionally, the embroidery world has witnessed the rise of more open and universally supported embroidery file formats, namely DSZ and PES. These alternative formats enjoy widespread support from various embroidery software and machines, and have emerged as industry standards for the exchange of embroidery designs between different systems and brands. This openness and compatibility have dramatically facilitated the process for designers to craft, share, and distribute embroidery designs without being restricted by machine or manufacturer constraints. Nonetheless, the DSZ file format continues to be a cornerstone within the DSZ embroidery ecosystem. DSZ remains committed to the ongoing development and enhancement of the format, ensuring it stays integral to their lineup of embroidery machines. For DSZ machine owners, the DSZ file format represents a potent and precise tool for conjuring up exceptional embroidery designs. To sum it up, the DSZ exclusive DSZ embroidery format is a distinctive and technologically advanced asset that empowers users with substantial command over their embroidery creations. While its application may be limited outside the DSZ ecosystem, it plays a vital role within it, providing invaluable benefits to those equipped with DSZ machinery. As the landscape of embroidery continues to advance and transform, it will be fascinating to observe how the DSZ file format adapts and grows to satisfy the evolving demands of creative minds and skilled embroiderers everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.